Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today video is a bit of different from my others. I'm going to show you my workplace. This is a gas station. I work at gas station. In outside, you can see the pump. I'll show you later. Where the place people can get gas for their vehicles. Inside, we have huge supermarket. You can see we have everything what people needs in daily consumption. You can see we have cigarettes, lighters, chocolates, candy, coffee, and beverages, soda, snacks. We have everything. Later on, I'll show you section by section in details video. But today, I'm going to show you briefly everything. Okay, guys, we'll see what we have. Now I'm going to show you outside of the gas station. This is a heavy rainy time. You can see, guys, I open the door. You can see it is heavy rainy. You can see, but that time also people came to get the gas for their vehicle. You can see they stopped their car near the gas pump. We have 8 gas pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see there. Oh guys, I came to inside. It's heavy rain. Now I'm gonna show you coffee section. This is the coffee section, guys, where the place people can get their coffee. We have 4 variety of coffee: George, original roast, cafe diola, good morning. This is George 100% Colombian coffee. This is my favorite coffee, guy. I love it. Later on, I'll show you how to make a good coffee. This is the cappuccino machine. It's make a flavored coffee with the milk, sugar. Now I'm moving to the soda section, guys. This is a fountain. This is a fountain machine. If I need a fountain, I grab the cup. This is called cup. Then I'm pressed this one. It's automatically come into the fountain drinks. So we have wide variety of flavors: Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, many things. This is called lid. We need to cover the cup. We use the lid. The straw. We can use the straw for drink. This is the straw we use to drink this. I drink it. It's very tasty. If it is not enough cool, you can add the ice. Here the crushed ice. You can see it's coming crushed ice. Then it's very cold. It's very tasty. I will drink it later. Now I will show you other parts of soda. This is soda. You can see Red Bull and energy drinks. This is fruit juice. This kind of Gatorade, Monster also energy drinks. This is a Coca-Cola, Fanta, wide variety of soda. You can see here. If people need which one they need, they come and open the door. They grab their drinks. They go to the cashier. Guys, this is medicine section. You can see wide variety of medicine here. When you get some headache, back pain, stomachache, you can get a medicine here without doctor prescription. Guys, this is called beer tub. We put into beer here and later beer cover with the ice. I'll show you it for you. You can see now I'm carrying beer. You can see now I'm carrying beer case. I open it, the plastic cover, then I put beer into the beer tub. You can see. Later on, I'll cover it with ice. I put all beer into beer tub. Now I need to cover with ice. You can see, guys, I'm carrying ice basket. Then I put it onto the beer. Then I cover beer with ice. You can see. Now this beer become a very cold. People like it. They need beer very cold, like a freezer. But I don't like it, but they like it. This cold guy is snack section. You can see this is the snack section. I will show you. We have wide variety of snacks here. You can see this both side. We have biscuits, cookies, cake, and a lot of things. This call is snacks. People can get their snack when they have small hungry. They can eat this. This also sugar candy. You can see, guys. This is the beer section. This called cold draw. You can see when you need any beer, you can open the door and you can grab your beer. Then you need to go to see the cashier and pay and go away. We have wide variety of beer. You can see this called beer chamber, beer cooler. It's a cool room. They have many variety of beer. They have a lot of beers. You can see people come inside. They can choose what they like and grab their beer and pay and go away. This is guys wine section. We have wide variety of wine. Some wine are expensive, some are cheapest. This you can see this is Italian wine. Moscato is Italian wine. It's a very tasty wine. And now I'll show you the candy section. Oh, you can see this is the candy section. We have wide variety of candies here. We have many variety of candies here. Kit Kat, Reese's, almond, Snickers. Hi, brother.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Sometimes, every now and then. It's a little complicated, but
How are
yeah.
you doing today?
What about you?
Good.
I'm married already. Married? Nice.
That's good.
How's the marriage life? Good?
Yeah, it's a little bit different here in my country.
Thank you.
Mm.
Single?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I like boys. How old are they?
Now 3, 7, and
Order?
Mm. Oh, so they all still young, yeah.
Just one?
Still young, yeah. In school?
Yeah.
They go
not here.
oh,
Two.
in your
Okay.
country?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, that's
What
good.
do you plan to do?
Today?
Oh, you can pay.
Just like in life? Yeah.
Oh. Plan to still stay in.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Guys, later on, I'll bring section by section in details video. You can subscribe my channel, then you can watch everything. Today I showed you briefly in the store.